Hello students, let us read this question. Show that the signum function from R to R is given by f of x equals to 1 if x equals to x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0 and 1 if x is less than 0. It's neither 1 1 nor onto. So in this question we need to show that the signum function given by the given following we need to prove that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. So first we need to understand what we mean by 1 1 or onto function. So for 1 1 function, 1 1 function, we take some elements from the domain and we find the value of the function at the point. So suppose we take two elements f of x1 and f of x2, and if we assume them to be equal, then if we get the condition that x1 equals to x2, then we can say that f is 1 1 function. Similarly, for onto function, we assume that let f of x equals to y, where y belongs to particular domain, then if for every value of y there there exists x such that it satisfy the condition satisfy the condition that f of x equals to y, then we can say that the function f is onto function. So let us check whether the given function satisfy this condition or not. So our function is f of x equals to 1 when x is greater than 0, 0 when x is equal to 0, and 1 when x is less than 0. This is our function and it is from R to R. So first we will check for 1 to 1 function. So we can check, we can take some values from the domain and check whether we are getting some unique image or not. So if we take f of 0, so the function will be, the value of the function will be 0. Then f of minus 1 will be, since it is the domain is a real number, we can take a positive as well as negative number. So for minus 1, the function will give us 1. Then for 1, it will be, for 1 it will be 1. Then for, if we take 2, then it will be 1. For 3 also it will be 1. We can see that for different elements we are getting same same image. So therefore we can say that f is not 1 1 function. Now we will check for onto function. So for onto function, so we will assume that let f of x equals to y, where y belongs to real number. So we can see that from the function we can see that f of x is defined only for only for few values like 1 0 and minus 1. So we can say that for all the other value of y there is no corresponding element of x. So since there is no corresponding element of x, we can say that f is not onto function. So using the definitions of 1 and onto function, we have checked that signum function is neither 1 nor onto. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.